So there it is. That's where we're heading. Up there.
I'm very happy. I'm on the biggest platform in France.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Say hello, my babies.
Hello.
Kyle, Sarah.
And like Kyle said, just be careful and watch the vlog completely in 2 days. Because it's my birthday and it will be at Disneyland. So it's a very special day.
Stop speaking like that. You can speak normally. Look at my babies matching in same color. Sarah, mini influencer. Because you are a mini influencer, my girl. Hi, Sarah. Hi. Give mama a kiss. Mwah. 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 You guys, we are heading out right now. Heading to what babe called Bastille, I think. It's called the Sacré-Coeur. I've been there years ago on my first trip to France. I have little or no memory of it really, but I remember going to the spot, but I don't remember what I saw when I went to the spot. So going back today, it's a good thing, and it's also awesome for Tyler. So that's what we're doing right now, and we're also going to meet up with a Jamaican by the name of Eddie. If you're a Jamaican living in France, you definitely know who Eddie is. But I have been telling you guys lately to go and subscribe to a channel called JAMAICAN. JAMAICAN is run by Eddie. So if you haven't yet subscribed to JAMAICAN, now is the time for you to go and subscribe to JAMAICAN. I'll leave the link down below in the comment section and in the description box, so you guys can go and subscribe to Eddie and support Eddie. Eddie does all things Jamaican folk and story time and poetry and just about everything Jamaican. That's Eddie. He does Olympic updates, every little thing Eddie does. So you guys will meet Eddie today. Yeah, so let's see what today brings. Another day on vacation. We took the day yesterday and rest. We stayed home and we rest our feet, we rest our body yesterday.
Is it today going to be a special day?
It's a special day every day because we wake up and we have life. So every day is considered a special day.
Okay, but when I say special days, if I will see other things and you that was a monument.
You're gonna see another monument today. A new one that you've never seen before.
But after I see that, I'm going to go to. I'm going to see another thing that
I think today is gonna be a relaxing short day. Let's see. Just let's enjoy the day and see what it brings, okay?
Okay, but when I see that time, you know, never.
Anyway, you guys, we're heading out right now. Another day on vacation. Everybody's a little bit rested because, like I said, we took the day yesterday and just breathed and stayed in and did nothing really. So here goes another vacation adventure in Paris City, and I have my little bag around me this time with my phone again. I'm being very paranoid, believe it or not. I can't get it out of my head. Every time I pick up my phone, it's like it replaying in my head over and over and over. So, you ready, husband?
I'm ready.
Kelly, you ready?
Yes.
Sarah, you ready? Say yes. Yes.
And make sure,
We.
and if it's your first time watching our videos, subscribe. And if it's your first time watching one of our vacation, is the first year that you watch one of our vacation, then go and watch all the other ones.
That's good. There you have it, my boy. Hi. All right, let's go. Take time, Ty. You have to take time, Tyler. We have journeyed to the Sacré-Coeur and we're in the streets walking towards it. Yeah. Over there, the Pirate of the Candies store. That's what babe's showing me. This street that we're on have a lot of clothes stores, a lot of gifts, souvenirs that you can buy. A lot of gifts and souvenirs that you can buy within this store. He thought the camera was on him just now. That guy thought the camera was on him and didn't realize that it was facing me and he was waving. That's too funny. So I need to call Eddie to find out where he is or if he's gonna show up. So let me give you a front view of what the street is looking like. That's pure souvenirs here.
Wait.
Souvenir,
Mama,
everything.
I want to go on this side because I saw a part of the Sacré-Coeur.
You have to come on this side because you have to hold my hand, but you're still gonna see the Sacré-Coeur when you go up some more. So there's gift shops and more gift shops, and so I need to own a berry. Berry is a French signature. Berry and baguette.
Mama, show them
Ah?
Sacré-Coeur.
Oh, not anymore. So once you see somebody wearing a berry, you know it's a tourist, right? As an old person. Babe said the berry is ancestry. Wow. That's the Sacré-Coeur. Oh my gosh, the amount of people I'm seeing from where I am. Oh la la. So there it is from here. That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
On top of it.
So there it is. That's where we're heading. Up there. Hold on. I need to catch us in that. Stop on it. Stop on it. Die. To take a photo. I need to take a photo. You okay?
Me?
Yeah. I was asking if you want help. So as we reach these two are on carousel, look at them. Hi Sarah. Sarah, hi. Oh, no, stay. Go! Yay! Come! Somebody's behind you. Mama, go! Good girl. Come, somebody's behind you. After carousel comes playground. It's right beside, so they're having a little playtime before we go up the top up there where the Sacré-Coeur is.
And now
Hi! Hello! Wee! Yay! Okay, last one. After this, one more. And then we go. Get down and one more and then we go up the top.
okay.
Champion girl. Going up the steps. Babe said there's another way to go up with the stroller. I don't know where it is.
Like a cabin.
He says like a cabin where the green thing is.
No, it's not down on the street.
Yeah, but I'm saying it's down on the street to up where the green thing is.
Yeah, maybe.
The closer we get, the more beautiful it is. We just need to find somewhere to sit and eat. So you guys, we just paused to eat. I had made sandwiches, a carrot bun and cheese, and a good supper jet. So we're continuing the journey to the top of the Sacré-Coeur. Up there. And if you're wondering what it is, it's actually a church. This is a church. I'm waiting for Eddie. But Jamaicans, always late, never on time, don't respect time. So yes, Eddie, may I trace you out. You're supposed to be here a long time ago. And you're just leaving your house to get here. So, we're continuing the journey without Eddie. Wherever he catch me, if he catch me, then we'll figure that out. Okay, so I'm not sure. Watch out for me if you guys seen this view, but like still not there. I'm in like the middle of it. I remember standing here with you and Auntie and Luke. This right here is where I remembered. Okay, so that's the view of looking over Paris. It's kind of a bit foggy. Maybe it's pollution or something that I'm seeing. But it's just a bit foggy. Hopefully you guys can still get a pretty good view of what it looks like. And that's how far we're coming from. You guys can see all the way down where the carousel is, the little green top thing. We're coming from beyond that. So yeah, we still have to continue. Go all the way up there. I don't know if we'll be able to go inside to see this church. You do?
Yes.
Where? I think it's a statue or a real person.
This is a real person.
Why you think it's a real person?
Because I think it is moving.
It's another church.
You see?
Yes, I see that.
Sarah, look up there. Sarah. That's a real person.
Sarah. Hello, Sarah. How are you, Sarah? Nice? Good? Yeah, good. Sunshine day. Sarah. Hello. Hello. Sarah. Have a good day.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at Sarah looking at him.
Sarah. Nice.
Okay, we're right there. Right there, we're approaching the last set of stairs to go up. And then we are there. Wow. So that's the view from the Sacré-Coeur. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. So we're going up the last step. And there we go, we're there. Alright, so here we go. We're going in. And this beauty. Okay, so here it is. And here. what we could have taken to come up earlier, but we didn't. But we're taking it to go down. Late bug. Let me zoom up the late bug. Come, let me zoom you. Look at the late bug. Let me zoom the late bug. What's his face?
I have an excuse.
No. What's the excuse? Let me hear it.
So I was on a live as a guest last night up to 7 o'clock this morning. 8 o'clock.
And
So 8
what?
o'clock I was
Up
like,
until 8 o'clock this morning?
yeah, 8 o'clock I was like, I'm going to my bed and to get 2 hours sleep. Charm is like, no, Eddie, you have to just go bed and go.
What kind of live you were on? No, tell me, what was the live about?
It was,
Who's
so it was
live?
Carla's Kitchen.
Who's
it was
live?
Carla's Kitchen. It wasn't my live. It was Carla's Kitchen, and man, it turned out in a prayer meeting, gospel service, crusade.
Me no business, you had a date 10 o'clock this morning, so me no business. What kind of live you was on? You see him?
It's really
late
bad.
Bug.
It's really
late
bad.
Bug, y'all. Eddie's a late bug. Late bug, Eddie. Him live up to the Jamaican standard of always late.
Hey Tyler.
So there you guys
How
go,
are you?
meeting
I'm
Eddie.
How was the view up there?
It was pretty.
It was pretty?
Yes.
Oh, nice. You
So
saw
what
it was
one?
clear up there or not?
Is your friend going to come with us at home?
Oh no, Eddie have his own home.
Yeah, tonight
You
is
know
my
Eddie's
monetization
Jamaican.
party actually.
You
so-
know. Me
Yeah.
me camera with them. I'm alone have monetization party.
But you need
Eddie
to,
gone with
you need
himself.
to, do some more
Me no
things,
have
man.
time to do live, Eddie. I mean,
No,
have time
but
to
you
do
need to-
nothing else.
Yep.
You guys, so you finally met Eddie, the
Alright.
Jam Fit
So
King.
I've already been here.
What's that?
L'Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah.
And I've already been here.
Uh-huh.
The Eiffel
Did
Tower.
you buy small Eiffel Towers?
No, big.
You bought big ones. Alright.
Vlogger vlogging a
You've only been
vlogger.
to 2 places, Tyler?
Oh no.
Only 2 places?
Oh no, you've been to so many places.
Where are we now?
Trusty, this
We
thing
are
is
living
bigger
the
than you.
vacation life thing.
Tell her.
That look?
Tell her your straw gonna fall out. Tell her gonna say tous ensemble. Hey, tous ensemble.
No, not today.
Allez, oui. Hey.
Welcome
Look
to
at Sarah. Sarah, where's your juice? Oh, them do you saw.
Yeah.
Oh God. Them do you bad princess.
Amount of time.
I'm fitter.
Tyler, say something for Eddie channel. Say big up Jam Fete.
It's in Patois. Say something in
Say
Patois.
big up Jam Fete. Say big up Jam Fete. You wasn't ready for that, don't you? He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready for Tyler Patois. Tyler, give him another piece of Patois.
One by you.
Teach your people them some Patois and translate it to them.
What's your face? You're pressure me boy. Why you pressure me son so? Let's stop pressure me son. What you want to say in Patois?
I'm thinking because the only one.
Somebody from Gaza.
No.
What is your favorite sentence?
What's your favorite sentence in Patois?
Mia in the kitchen.
Me in the kitchen.
We are in the kitchen. We are in the kitchen.
Mia cook.
Ah. We love to cook. You can cook?
I can cook pasta.
Pasta?
Anyway, you guys, I am heading back home, leaving Edward Boucher. Boucher.
Yeah, it was
Monsieur
fun.
Jam Fete.
It's fun.
It was nice hanging out with you.
Them drunk me, but
Make sure you guys go and subscribe to Eddie's channel at Jam Fete. The link will be in the comment section and the description box. Eddie, anything you want the people to know? Tell them what your Instagram handle.
Yeah, my Instagram handle is JamFet. Everything is JamFet.
Jam Fete. Spell it.
JamFet. J-A-M for Jam, Jamaica. And fête is F-E-T-E, which is actually French for
party
or to celebrate. So it's actually to celebrate Jamaica, Jam Fête.
Hey.
Yeah, so jamfête.youtube.com, Jam Fête.
And Eddie's not just a Jam Fête handle. Jam Fête is a business.
Jam Fête is a vision,
yes.
it's a business, it's
yes.
a mission, it's
yes.
all of those things. It's
Eddie.
about spreading brand Jamaica in France. And trying to get people to know more about the Jamaican culture. Because it's not just sports and music. It's the food, it's the history, it's the literature, it's the snacks, it's, you know, all those things as a global.
And if your Eddie also help like students coming in Paris, he also assist them with finding out housing and information and all that stuff.
To settle.
So Eddie is a special Eddie, he's not just a Jam Fête Eddie.
Yeah, remember I created the association a few years ago.
Right,
so
right.
The objective was really to, you know, create a community, a Jamaican community here, which is getting bigger and bigger.
Right.
With good and not so good elements, but you know, it's
the positives always outweighs the negatives anyway.
So, and guys, you know, 2024 is the Olympics here in Paris.
So we are going to dash out and all these things.
Exactly, so we're just preparing the way like John the Baptist.
Right, right.
So big up all the Delaveaus fans.
And all the Jam Fetters that's over here. Now you guys that are the Delaveaus go over and subscribe to Jam Fête.
And I'm coming to Nice. I'm coming to Nice.
We have to see that
first.
We have to see that first, because you know everybody who come on my yard get the royal meal treatment.
Yeah, man.
So if you don't come on my yard and get the royal meal treatment, you're not say nothing. Nothing you're not say. So we are waiting for Eddie to come on Nice.
Yeah.
Right, Eddie?
Yeah, man.
We're waiting. You guys hold Eddie accountable for that. When you don't see him, I may also not can say, yeah, I remember him did say so, I know now watch so.
And I'm very happy. I'm on the biggest platform in France.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna cut out the vlog here and we're heading home. Wait, you have to say catch up and keep up.
Bon, on va se voir très bientôt.
Hey, hey, you must speak French now. Hey.
Prenez soin de vous-même.
Hey.
Voilà, à bientôt.
See, when I get all French street, Anyway, you guys in a bit.
Yeah, man.